Here we come to the freight elevator at the Steward Observatory at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a US, let's call it. Is it working? There we go. Here it is. All right, it's here. So now let's open the door. Let's get our cab view. Very nice elevator. That's your interlock and retiring cam right there. Let's close up the door. Watch this. Just stops. All right, constant pressure. I believe this originally had manual doors, but it was since been upgraded to automatic power doors. Let's go up to 5. Now, we need to open the doors. Let's go down to 1. Let's get our cab view. Very nice. Capacity 8,000 pounds. Very nice elevator. I believe this was installed in 1983. This has a, is this an ADA compliant? Yes, it's got an ADA compliant phone. I wasn't sure if it had a non-ADA or not. I believe you have to open the doors to cancel the call. But this thing is awesome. Circle fixtures with red, I think they're LEDs. And you might have to open the doors to cancel the call. I am not sure. Let's see if it'll let us go up to 5. Epic motor. Now we're going to end it on 2. Watch this. Awesome. This is is hydraulic. It's got an epic motor. It's a dry-powered motor, which is awesome. This elevator's amazing. I'm glad it's still here after all these years. Right, to open the door, push the button. And opening the door cancels the call. Because this used to be a manual. Right, let's close the door. And you don't have to hold constant pressure on this one. Just awesome. Anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it. My camera focuses. There we go. Anyways, that's it.